Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharath Chandra. Many brokerage companies announce their yearly target prices of stocks on the day of the budget. We have compiled a list of stocks in the Sensex with their target prices as per ICICI Securities as published in Economic Times newspaper. It will be very interesting to see how these stocks perform in the next 12 months. Sensex stocks target as per ICICI Securities. I will be reading most of the companies. Some of them you can see on the screen. I may not be reading them. Adani Ports, current price 1493, target price for 12 months 1695, percentage change or increase 14%. Asian Paints 2922, current price, target price 2650, minus 9%. Axis Bank 1236, 1500, 21%. Bajaj Finance 6580, 7750 and 18% rise. Bharti Airtel 1462, 1650 and 13%. HCL Tech 1591, the target price is 1700, 7% rise. HDFC Bank, current price 1600, target price 1850, 16% rise. HUL 2741, 2980, 9%. ICICI Bank 1211, 1335, 10%. ITC 498, 525 and 5%. Infosys 1835, 2020, 10% rise. Some of the companies are not announcing, but you can read it if you want to know what is the target price. Kotak Mahindra Bank 1755 is the current price, approximate target price 1970, 12% rise. Currently I am making this video while the market is open, so the current price may be different from the closing price which you see at the end of the day. L&T 3530, current price, target price 4300, 22% rise. Mahindra 2787, 3420, 23%. Maruti Suzuki 12571, 14200 and 13%. Nestle India 2538, 2600 and 2% rise. Power Grid 337, 360 and 7%. Reliance Industries 3012, 3270, 9% rise. Tata Motors 1027, 1200, 17%. And TCS also 6% rise expected in the next 12 months. Tata Steel 161, current price, target price 210, 30% rise expected. Titan 3508, 3600 and 3% rise expected. Ultratech Cement 11406, 12430 and 9% rise expected in the next 12 months by ICICI Securities. The target price of most of the stocks are around 8 to 20% higher than their current market prices. This means that as per ICICI Securities analysis, they are expecting the next 12 months to be quite a good year for Indian stock markets. The target price has been given for 12 months from 23rd July 2024. The basis of the analysis is the expectation that India will continue to grow and the stock prices will reflect the long-term potential of the economy. There is a good chance of most of these target prices may be achieved in the next 1 year. Of course, stock prices will not go up continuously. There will be ups and downs in the period. As long-term investors with a vision of 10 years or more, short-term fluctuations in stock price should not concern you as long as the business fundamentals of the company are good. When the fundamentals are deteriorating, then you should do further study and check whether there is any problem. After you research, if you realize that the problem in the business is temporary, then you can continue to invest. If there is some major problem which is permanent and will lead to further decline in revenue and profits, then you may need to decide to sell or stop investing in that stock. This is why regular quarterly monitoring of quarterly results and news is very important. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section, do you think there will be no correction in markets in the coming days due to tax increase? If you think option A, market will continue to rally, type A in the comment section. Otherwise B, which is 5% or more correction likely in the next few months. If you like this video, please share it with all your friends. Thank you and bye bye.